Hi everyone, this is Dan from DEJAN Marketing, and I'll be talking about the lost art of natural linking at SMX Munich. Hope you can come and see my talk. So I'll give you an example of what that's all about. Let's say I have an article about how to make papyrus. So first step in making papyrus is to harvest the sticks of papyrus and peel off the skin. So once you do that, and if you make good papyrus, you will have a beautiful smile, and for beautiful smile you need good white teeth. And then you go and put the pieces of cut papyrus in water, soak them for 20 days. And after 20 days you can take them out. And here's a government link just to make my article seem a little bit more legitimate and authoritative. And once you've done that, lay down the papyrus and put a press on top of it. Once it's pressed, one day you can take it out and put some sun on it to dry it out, and that should cook. Oh, here's another article to make this authoritative link to Wikipedia page about gardening. Sorry, I can't put any more links into this story because three links is the limit. All right, bye everyone.